मौसम बहुत हसीन तरीन हो चुका है। हेलो एवरीवन, सो आई एम ऑन माय फ्लाइट टू बैंगलोर। द फ्लाइट इज ऑलमोस्ट एम्प्टी। ग्रेट न्यूज़, नॉट सो ग्रेट बट या। फर्स्ट आई बोर्डिंग अ फ्लाइट विद 3 rows, 1 2 3. This has an inbuilt in-flight entertainment option and all. I have finally reached Bangalore. I have taken these flakes and this kesari bhat. This is sambar and dosa and idli, and I have no idea how to eat this. I think it's this is coconut chutney. I could not eat this, and I'm not sure if my palate can take this. But let's see. इसको मैंने ट्राई किया सांबर के साथ, और ये बहुत स्पाइसी है। और ये भी सांबर के, और ये भी चटनी भी, ये भी बहुत स्पाइसी है। तो बेटर है इतना टोस्ट ही खा लो। दिस इज नॉट माई पैलेट। द ओनली थिंग जो मुझे पसंद है खाने में वो है चाय। चाय बहुत अच्छी है। बाकी ये इडली डोसा तो ख़त्म कर दिया है। Good morning guys, I am continuing this vlog. Like I've been in Bangalore for 2 days now, and I just got the time to continue it. For the 2 days I have been house hunting, and I didn't get the time to show you my room. So it's in a mess. So this is the room. This is the table for snacks, a fridge, and this table, a cabinet, the door, the washroom, which I don't like much. So this is not one of my favorite rooms, but of course the balcony. यहाँ की हवा, the air is so fresh. और क्या ही चाहिए। A beautiful balcony is all I need. This is my breakfast for today. Cornflakes, kesari bhat, basically halwa, watermelon, and toast. This tea they serve is one of the best teas I've ever had. तो मैं इस चप्पल में घूम रही हूँ आजकल। मैं रूम स्लीपर, विच इज़ नॉट कंफर्टेबल एट ऑल, और मैं हाउस हंटिंग में उसी में जा रही हूँ। तो लेट्स गो टू बाटा, कुछ सस्ता वस्ता देखते हैं लगाने के लिए, कंफर्टेबल भी। गाइस मुझे लगा था बाटा सस्ता है, बट यहाँ पर भी 1500 1600 के मिल रहे हैं। गाइस मैं बाटा गई थी, सोच रही कि मैं 500-600 रुपये की चप्पल लाऊंगी, और मैं 1500 की चप्पल लेके आ रही हूँ। अब मुझे लग रहा है बैंगलोर महंगा है। This is the first property for my house hunting today. I'm walking through the street. मैं चाहती हूँ मेरा घर ऐसा ही कहीं पर हो, फ्लैट मिल जाए, बट नहीं मिल रहा। This is such a beautiful street. The point is, और ये अफोर्डेबल जगह भी है, बट अच्छी अफोर्डेबल जगह है मुश्किल, मतलब जो मुझे पसंद आ रही है बहुत महंगी है। Guys, I am in heaven. All this is absolutely adorable.
But you see the edges, so you have to keep something to cover that.
I got these cute band-aids yesterday, and this shoe as well, and this as well. This hotel looks like a haunted movie set. Hello guys, so today I visited the Bangalore Palace. Photography is not allowed inside, so all you can see is this. This field is in the front of the palace and it's almost like a dump yard. And I want to go there, but I think there are snakes. They have such cute dish scrubbers. I had to buy wall clock. I got the yellow one. I thought these are toys, but these are hand dusters. Dusters. These are dusters. And these are hand towels. Towels मतलब कुछ wipe बनते हैं. ये सब hand towels है. अगर ये hand towels होगी तो इंसान का मन कैसे करेगा इनको हाथ पोंछने का. Here we have $4.99 for 3. And these gift teapots. दो तो मैंने ये ले ली लेकिन तीसरा मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं आ रहा सब में. I picked this one as the third one. I need these pillows but अभी मुझे आइडिया नहीं है किस कलर के लाऊं तो मे बी लेटर. प्रॉब्लम ये कि आई वांट टू बी अ मिनिमलिस्ट बट मैं ये क्यूट चीज़ें देख के आई कांट कंट्रोल एंड आई एम ट्राइंग नॉट टू गो ओवरबोर्ड. Since it's a little cold here, I'm looking for a sweater, hoodie type. Hello guys. What is hello? So basically, I'm moving to Bangalore for some time, and I recently found a flat or room, whatever you call it. अभी तो पूरा पता नहीं है कि वो रूम मिला है कि नहीं because I've only basically paid for booking of the room and not paid the deposit and all, so I'm not sure if it's real or not. Basically I am a pessimist, so you know I keep doubting things. So although I'm not sure if I have a room, but I bought few things to start with because currently I'm at Brigade Road and I got things that I might not find in the place I'm moving to. Basically, I just wanted a reason to shop because there were some cute things available from this shop. It's some goodie. What is it? Good goodie is the name of the shop, and I quite liked it. Like after Miniso is not something I like now. So I got some rubber bands. Cute. I also needed a pin bag. I got this wall clock. अभी ये बंद है मैं लेकिन अभी मैं खोलने का मूड नहीं. Maybe when I unbox it. And these cute. What is this? These were scrubbers. These are dish scrubbers. ये इतनी cute है. Although these might not work, but also I'm trying to be a minimalist. But I don't think it's my cup of tea. But I can't resist cute things, guys. I just can't. So these. And the last things that I got are ये एक mini pot, एक छोटा सा पौधा. You know, if I can take care of it. तो ये कितना cute है. Some bowls. ये मुझे 500 में 3 मिले. ये. So it's a good deal. Okay, so that मैंने vlogging, so I won't call this whatever I am doing this vlogging because I am so occupied, not with stuff but with things. I am mostly busy. So that's that, and hopefully wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I hope things go good. Okay. It's about 11 o'clock. अभी मैंने dinner भी नहीं किया है and I don't think I will have dinner. So guys, good night.